Everyone wants to invest, but most beginners don't know where to start. The truth? You don't need a lot of money, a finance degree, or even a laptop, just your phone and the right game plan. Today, I'll show you how complete beginners make their first smart investment in the stock market. Step by step, before you tap buy, you need to know this. Most beginners fail not because the market is hard, but because they jump in blindly chasing hype, following TikTok tips, or buying stocks they don't understand. If you want to invest safely and confidently, you must master the basics. And I'll break them down in the simplest way possible. Over the last 50 years, the stock market has averaged around 7 to 10% yearly returns, beating savings accounts and inflation. That means your money grows while you sleep. The earlier you start, the bigger your future gains. Even $20 or $50 a month can compound into thousands. First, choose the right investing platform. Most countries have mobile investment apps that let beginners start with small amounts. Look for apps that offer zero or low commission fees, fractional shares, education tools, strong security. Open an account, verify your ID, and you're ready to invest. Beginners shouldn't try to pick the next miracle stock. Start with safe, proven investments like big, stable companies you already know, index funds like S&P 500, ETFs, blue chip stocks. These spread your risk and grow steadily over time. Never invest all your money at once. Use the strategy called dollar cost averaging. Invest small, consistent amounts weekly or monthly. It removes fear, avoids bad timing, and grows your portfolio over time. And remember, never invest money you can't afford to keep for the long term. So if you've been scared to start, this is your sign. Download an investment app, start small, stay consistent, and watch your knowledge and money grow. If you want a full beginner-friendly guide, including the best apps and safest strategies, stick around because we're just getting started.